Hey everybody, my name is Michael, and today we've got a very beautiful sky. It's actually going to be a crazy 98 degrees later. It is 9 in the morning and it's already 80s. Yesterday it was high of 94, so I guess it's a final goodbye to August. And with that as well, you're drinking a pumpkin spice latte. It has been forever since I had one, and I absolutely love them. I know, very typical. Super excited about the fall. I mean, it's the best time of the year, no doubt without it. And you got Thanksgiving coming up. You have Halloween. You have my birthday. You have my wife's birthday. The most important days, right? Of course. Any wife you have, whatever her birthday is, that's the most important day. But really, Christmas is awesome. I love Christmas and then New Year's Eve. So super exciting time. We got these beautiful bright green colors around us. Thanks for watching today. We are discussing about a duo, two brothers, Mr. and Mr. Adams, and they have been charged by the Securities Exchange Commission for a $60 million scam. Unlike a lot of these others where it was 2017, 2018, 2019, it's taking a couple years for them to charge, this one was recent. This one was from June 2023, last year, all the way up to a couple months ago, still this summer, June 2024. One of the brothers got away with $30 million being invested into building a condominium in Miami. Another brother spent over $480,000 on exotic cars, and then some of the money obviously disappeared. So what happened? Well, the brothers were purporting to say they have a cryptocurrency trading bot. As always, it's AI. It's the bots that are coming over and please invest in our software. It's going to make you rich. Only for a small fee of, $999. I don't know what they were actually charging, but you can see a lot of these YouTube advertisements where some of them could be the next people you see on the Department of Justice's website or the SEC's website, because I'm sure that some of these scams have promoted on YouTube. And even a couple years back, we had a lot of promotion of scams that later people ended up being charged or simply disappeared. Not all of these are American scams, but some are. And if you're an American getting away with millions of dollars, I'm sorry, why would you stay in America? Why would you risk everything? It just doesn't make sense. Time and time again, people decide, hey, let's steal tens of millions of dollars. They get to live it up for a couple weeks, a couple months, maybe even a couple years if they're lucky. Probably the whole time paranoid and looking over their shoulder. And if they're not, something's seriously wrong with them and they're dumb, and that's why they get busted. Either way, they get busted. If you had even just a couple $1 million, take that to Southeast Asia, take that to Eastern Europe, take that to wherever you can buy out the local police, and you won't care. Not that I'm advising for that, but I just don't understand. I've watched so many American Greed episodes. I've seen so many of these crypto scammers get busted, and it's always the same thing. Oh yeah, let me just buy, spend half of the money that I stole on an apartment and luxury cars and watches. At least with the watches, those are kind of easy to sell, and some you may even profit off of, but most likely in a panic, you're gonna be losing money, but you'd retain most of the capital you put into there. And also, if you do get busted, with the real estate, with some of these cars, with the assets, the police are able to sell them. Yes, they've been seized. Yes, they're not going to bother, hey, is this the best value that we're getting for this? No, they're going to relatively quickly sell it, but you are most likely going to get some of the capital back. And with that, the sentencing may potentially be different depending on how good your lawyer team is. So, Mr. and Mr. Adams. You have Jonathan Adam, and Tanner Adam. So Tanner Adam is the owner of Triton Financial Corporation, and Jonathan Adam is the owner of GCZ Global LLC. One of them was based in Angleton, Texas. The other was based in Miami, Florida. Obviously, the one that's based in Miami, Florida decided, hey, let's live it up large and buy that condominium. Where do all of these people go wrong? First off, they guaranteed a 13.5% monthly profit, and it is windy, which is good for myself right now, but not great for the video. Any guarantees of interest, whether it's a couple percent annually to 200% annually, or even more. We've certainly seen crazy 1,000% APR high yield investment scams. Now, whatever the guarantee is, it's most likely a scam. There's no way to guarantee it. The only guarantees out there are lifetime tickets through airlines, and even those, they're not lifetime. You know, there's no guarantees out there. So, especially in investing, if there is a guarantee, it's most likely a scam. The SEC placed emergency asset freezes. They are seizing property. They're seizing these assets. They're also investigating how this happened. There was 80 investors total, which isn't crazy. I mean, usually you have hundreds or thousands of investors. Here there's 80 investors for $60 million. Obviously, most of these investors are probably crypto millionaires. The duo had alleged that Mr. Jonathan Adam had created a crypto arbitrage bot that would look for arbitrage opportunities, and that's how you would gain these 13.5% monthly returns, which is absolutely insane. 13.5% is very good even in a year, but every month, even in cryptocurrency where you get these crazy cycles, that's not happening. It's a Ponzi scheme, classic Ponzi. There is one small detail that Jonathan Adam did not mention to investors, and I'm sure this minor inconvenience may have dissuaded some of the investors. This is probably the best part of this video, is you're thinking, okay, as a millionaire investor or someone trying to be a millionaire, what would you do? How much research would you go in? Well, if you found out that the project you're investing, that seems a little sketchy, that might have some red flags, that one of the main brothers has been previously convicted of 3 security fraud charges, would you invest? Probably not. That's right. He's a convicted felon. Oh, I'm all for giving opportunities, but especially if you have multiple charges and you're doing the exact same thing again. Yeah, I know that if all 80 investors, well, actually, most of the 80 investors, if they knew that, if they did their proper research, they would never invest in this. Maybe one of them would be crazy and is a gambler and is like, well, you never know. Let's give him a chance, right? But yeah, give him a chance for a normal job. That's fine. But another chance at an investment company, an arbitrage trading company? No. So in total, $61.5 million was taken, of which $53.9 million was used. $400,000 remained. So that's it. They might be able to get a couple million potentially in assets back from watches, from cars, from certain fees that they have received from maybe bank accounts. And the big one is certainly the condominium. Now, depending on what state it's in, you know, maybe it's raw materials, because again, this all happened so quickly. Maybe the condominium's close to being finished. It's a $30 million condominium. The price of lumber, the price of concrete, the price of labor, the price of all these goods to build real estate recently has skyrocketed after COVID. And I'm not sure if the condominium's finished. If it's in a raw state, $30 million condominium may only be worth a fraction of that, because one man's treasure may be another man's very, very difficult to sell trash. So with that, you do have a question of why. Why did these people invest? Maybe it was greed. Maybe it was because they trusted them from other projects. Maybe they had influencers on board. I don't know how they promoted. What we do know is they said they would use these funds to fund the lending pool for flash loans, for using smart contracts. The problem with that was there was never any lending pool. And with blockchain, it's very easy to see if there's smart contracts, if the money's going where it should be going. Obviously, since this unraveled so quickly, it didn't go to the right place. And who knows, maybe the $61.5 million out of the 80 investors, 79 invested $10,000 each. And the last one was some mega rich billionaire who's like, you know what, let's do it. Although they probably wouldn't fall for that. So it is very interesting how they were able to secure this money in such a rapid amount of time. Although, hey, if you're already convicted of fraud, you probably have a nice network. And that is that for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you're curious, please check out my other channel. I have actually returned to Volvo now. So we will be resuming Volvo content. Within the next 2 months, that channel is going to be monetized. So kind of exciting. But have a great one. Take care.